Welcome if you new here, and welcome back for those who are listening from the beginning. I'm Seb, and today in the third episode, I will work on the neck. In the last episode, we finished by gluing up the top on the rest of the body, and everything is camped up here. And today I will work on the headstock template, and I will lumber this beautiful piece of flame maple to its final thickness, and maybe I'll try to make two neck from this piece of wood. So let's go. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and maybe leave a comment below. Uh, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a binding on this fretboard, so tell me in the comment below if you'd like to see how how I make binding on the fretboard. So let's go. I was about to drill the hole for the tuner, and I was thinking maybe to continue with the offset build. I think I will offset the hole on the base side, maybe just a little bit, maybe like just next to the hole. It will give a cool look, I think. So this is the neck so far. I think I'm going to start working on the fretboard. I've got this beautiful piece of ebony. I think I'm gonna stick it to the jig and cut some slot. I'll do one last thing in this video. I have this little inlay for white, so I will mark them and install them. That's the build so far. I got the fingerboard slot, and I have the fret marker done too. After the body is dry, so I will remove all the clamp. That's it for the episode. So thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.